Monitoring as a service is a cloud-based solution that allows organizations to track, observe, and manage the performance of their systems, applications, and infrastructure without needing to build their own monitoring tools. Instead of installing software locally, users rely on cloud providers to collect data such as system uptime, response time, network activity, and errors. This data is then analyzed and presented through dashboards, alerts, or reports. It is useful because it reduces the need for expensive infrastructure and specialized staff, while still providing real-time insights into system health. It also improves reliability as issues can be detected early and addressed before they will affect users. Overall, it supports better decision making and ensures system runs smoothly. Budget-aware monitoring. Budget-aware monitoring is an approach where monitoring activities are planned and adjusted based on cost constraints. In cloud environments, resources such as storage, processing power, and data transfer can incur changes, so constant monitoring at a high level can become expensive. Budget-aware strategies aim to balance performance tracking with cost-effective efficiency by prioritizing what needs to be monitored most. For example, critical systems may be monitored continuously, while less important ones are checked less and less frequently. This approach helps organizations avoid overspending while still maintaining sufficient visibility over their systems. It ensures that monitoring remains effective without exceeding financial limits. 5 principles of cloud computing. Cloud computing is built on several key principles that define how it works. First, on-demand self-service allows users to access computing resources whenever needed without human interaction with the provider. Second, broad network access means services are available over the internet and can be accessed from different devices. Third, resource pooling refers to providers sharing resources among multiple users, improving efficiency. Fourth, rapid elasticity allows systems to scale up or down quickly depending on demand. Finally, measured service ensures that usage is tracked and users only pay for what they consume. These principles make cloud computing flexible, scalable, and cost-effective. Representational state transfer, REST, is an architectural style used for designing web services that communicate over the internet. It relies on standard HTTP methods such as get, post, put, and delete to perform operations. REST works by using resources which are identified through URLs, and these resources can be accessed or modified by clients like web browsers or applications. One of its main features is that it is stateless, meaning each request from a client contains all the information needed to process it without relying on previous interactions. REST is widely used because it is simple, scalable, and compatible with many systems, making it ideal for building modern web and cloud-based applications.